Hi dear parents, welcome back to Math Hour 2018 edition. Happy New Year to all of you. We've already started this new year with a brand new math topic, percentages, and basically how to apply them in money situations and real world situations. I taught the kids the technique. I'm going to make this video for you guys as well, show you how we use the technique and a shortcut method as well in percentages. Let's give it a shot right now. Let's try it. Let's take a problem. Simple problem. How about, let's try, what is 5% of, how about 15? Why not? Question, what is 5% of 15? Well, I taught the kids 2 steps. First step, step number 1. The first thing you should do is that you're going to turn this percentage into a fraction. How do you do that? You simply go 5 divided by 100. And that's a fraction. Step 2, I'm going to turn this ELA word, of, into a math property. Of basically means multiply. So step 2, of translates into a multiplication. And finally, we'll bring our 15 down right over here. Putting this all together, we've got 5 over 100 multiplied by 15. And now we're going to do the math. Let's go to the fraction, 5 over 100. 5 over 100. Can I make it smaller? I think I can. Why not? I always tell the kids, why use big numbers? If you can make it smaller and simplify it, go for it. Take a look. 5 over 100. Let's use GCF. Let's see if we can make this smaller. So we have 5 numerator, 100 is the denominator. And the trick is this. If you see a 5 on top, or a 0 on the bottom, or 0 on top or 5 on the bottom, just use 5. It should be able to multiply by 5. Let's give it a try. So 5 times some number should make 5. 5 times some number makes 100. Both work. So 5 times 1 is 5. And 5 times 20 is 100. 1 and 20. Can we make this any smaller? Nope. So 5 over 100, we can change this into 1 over 20. That's it. 5 over 100 simplified becomes 1 over 20. Much easier to use. So 1 over 20 times 15. Now we can do the math in a very easy way. Let's do it together. 1 over 20 times 15. How do we do this? 15. Change it to a fraction. Done. 15 is the same thing as 15 over 1. And now we got 2 fractions. Multiply. Easiest thing in the world. Numerator times numerator. Denominator times denominator. 1 times 15 is 15. 20 times 1, 20. But we cannot leave our answer in a fraction form. For percentages, you've always got to leave the answer in a decimal form. So let's change this into a decimal. But before we do that, 15 over 20. Can we simplify it? Let's try. There's a 5 on top, 0 on the bottom. Perhaps 5 could work. Let's give it a shot. Let's use, again, our favorite technique in the world, GCF. Let's see, we got 15, we got 20. 5 should work. 5 times some number is 15. 5 times some number makes 20. Hey, it works. 3 over 4. You can't make it any smaller. So 15 over 20 can be simplified into 3 over 4. We're not done yet. We just simplified 15 over 20. We got to turn this into a decimal. How do you do that? You just divide. 3 divided by 4. Let's do that right now. So 3 divided by 4. Well, pretty straightforward. 4 times some number, very close to 3. 4 times 0. 3 minus 0 is 3. 3 is homeless. No number should be homeless. Who's going to rescue us? 0 the hero. How do you activate? Decimal point. Once you put the decimal point, you get a little happy smiley 0. 0 the hero. 4 times some number is very close to 30. How about 7? 4 times 7 is 28. 2 is homeless. 0 the hero is activated. Always to the rescue. And 4 times some number is very close to 20. 4 times 5, which is 20. And 20 minus 20 is 0. Therefore, 5% of 15 is equal to 0.75. And this is how you do percentages of numbers. This is the technique we're using in class, and this is how the kids have learned it, and we'll practice more of this technique as time goes on. Thank you.